Hey guys, 𝗪𝟰🗚 from Audio Direct. We're at our Sheikh Zayed Road branch today, and what you can hear starting up in the background is of course the G55 AMG. We got a couple of cars in. We got a lovely Dodge Durango. We have of course the 911 and the Defender, but what we're concentrating on today is gonna be this G Wagon, and there's something very special going into this car. So for those of you who are familiar with head units, this is probably the hardest head unit to get in the whole of the Middle East. Stock's pretty much gone. We're one of the only guys who have it. This is of course the Halo 9 from Alpine. There's a technical number on it, but I tell you one thing, this head unit will blow you away. Forget everything that you've seen, the functions on this. It's got complete equalizer settings, built-in DSP and everything, and the guys are hard at work. It's a huge job. Let me just show you how detailed this thing can get. Hey, just grab the door for me. What you see in there is the original navigation, and you really have to know your stuff to start tinkering with things like this. You cannot jump on the internet and figure out how to put the stereo in. And there's the beast itself. When it's all lit up, singing and dancing, of course, we'll have tons of photographs for you. But I mean, take a look at this. You know, take a look at this. Just look at that user manual. You could probably become a doctor easier than you can install this stereo. And this G55, of course, built so well, fantastic vehicle. So we're really lucky to be one of the guys who can actually supply and fit the Alpine Halo. It's not an easy system to install because it's such a high-end system. It's got so much going in for it that actually what has to happen is you've got to tap into a lot of systems in a car. Like for example, this has got an original reversing camera. We need to then configure that to work with the head unit, equalizers, subwoofers, upgrading all the speakers and stuff. So we'll let you know what's going on, but in the meantime, we'll let the guys crack on. It's nice and calm here, which is like what we want to see. So in one day, by the way, we're going to be cracking on with this job. So 𝗪𝟰🗚 from Audio Direct.